I've spent a good amount of time working with Bitrix24 CRM recently, expecting another all-in-one platform that falls short under its own weight. But does it genuinely simplify your workflow, combining sales, marketing, support, project management, and collaboration, or does it overwhelm you with features? Let's dig in and see if it lives up to the hype. Bitrix24 is a cloud-based CRM that aims to do it all: manage contacts, automate lead nurturing, handle quotes and invoices, run customer support queues, and even manage tasks and team communication, all within one ecosystem. It targets small to mid-sized businesses needing an affordable entry point into a unified business platform. In this review, I'll walk you through what's strong, where it's rough, how pricing scales, and who it's really built for. What stands out immediately in Bitrix24 is the wealth of features builders have crammed into the platform. You can capture leads, move them through visual pipelines, trigger workflows, send quotes, generate invoices, and even host a client portal. Beyond that, you get built-in chat, document management, time tracking, and project boards. All of these cobble together into one platform, and the modular approach makes it tempting if you want to consolidate tools. The automation builder is visual and flexible, and CRM items, deals, tasks, and timelines feel deeply interconnected. One of Bitrix24's most appealing aspects is its free plan. Yes, permanent and generous. It includes essential CRM features, pipelines, automations, email marketing, and team collaboration for unlimited users, though storage and contacts are capped. Paid plans ramp up from there. The basic plan adds increased storage, advanced automations, and support for around $50 per month. The standard tier unlocks everything from sales intelligence and advanced reports to telephony and CRM access rights, costing about $100 per month. At the top, the professional plan, around $200 per month, adds customer portals, enhanced document handling, and full-scale collaboration features. The pricing stacks quickly with more users or advanced features, but for a single team, it can still beat the cost of multiple apps. What users appreciate: many users love how much functionality they get in one platform, especially the fact that communication, CRM, quotes, tasks, and even video conferencing live in one place. The free plan helps businesses get started without upfront cost, and so many features mean many teams find at least part of the platform useful. Loyalty tends to grow when a team takes the time to learn its layout and automation. Built-in tools like contact center routing or VoIP integration excite teams who want everything connected. Where it falls short, but there are trade-offs. The interface can feel dated and overwhelming, so much packed into so many menus, and that's before you turn on projects or contact center features. Automations, while powerful, can be finicky to configure and prone to misfires. Users report occasional slowdowns and bugginess on feature-rich pages. Support depends heavily on your plan. Lower tiers get email or community help, which may feel slow or insufficient when you're stuck. And with such breadth, training is critical. It's easy to misuse automations, manage permissions incorrectly, or complicate pipelines by layering too many features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly platform that brings CRM, communications, automation, and collaboration under one roof, Bitrix24 can be a compelling choice, especially if you're already juggling multiple tools and don't mind the learning curve. For businesses looking for powerful automation, strong interactions, and minimal app switching, it's worth considering. But if sleek usability, rock-solid support, or polished UI rank high on your list, be prepared to invest time or budget in training or explore cleaner, though more costly alternatives. Bitrix24 CRM packs incredible value and features, but it takes work to tame the beast. If this review was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your biggest CRM frustration right now? I'd love to help you navigate it. Catch you next time.